Hello, so let me introduce our pvs31. What included in the books. At first, you see the carry books with sponge and the soft helmet. Okay, soft bag. What included here? Let me show you. First, you see this one is a backup battery books, which can put 1, 2, 3, 4 full PCCL 1, 2, 3 lithium battery, and has a cable connected with the pvs31, so that it can provide more operating time. Okay, and the L cup, the helmet bracket. This one is multi-function, which can use with the soft helmet, or if you have the ballistic helmet, such as Michi Fast, also can directly use it on the ballistic helmet. Okay, and this pvs31. Let me show you the details. At first, you see, it can use as a molecule like that to see the more clear image and adjust the objective lens and the eyepieces. You see like that, and here. And this one is a battery box. You can put one piece, one unit, CL123 the battery in here. It can provide the power source for the device. In addition, if you want it running more time, you can put 4 pieces. So 2 to 4, and this 5 pieces battery make this device work a long time. And you can see here is interface. Connect it with that. Have the interface. Okay. This one can have held or used with the soft helmet or with the ballistic tactical helmet. And we'll show you the performance later. Okay. Now I put this battery, make the device work normally, and you can see it's very clear, right? And this one have the highlight function of when the user use it and has a monocular or goggles like that. Or if you want to use it as a monocular like that, you see it is standby, but this one work normally. And this one change the location. You see, both standby, and you see this one work normally. Again, standby, work normally. Okay, now I'm in the dark room and I can show you the performance about this one. You see, also work very good. Now I open the IR illuminator. I can see the words more clear.